Noticing where we hold stress can help us deal with difficult sensations and difficult emotions. When we meet a tiger, our heart rate quickens, our muscles tighten, our respiratory rate quickens, our digestive system closes down, and we start to sweat. This is our flight and fight response, and it can help keep us safe in times of danger. We don't meet many tigers in life, however, we're all dealing with day-to-day stresses, some big and some small. We often don't even notice that our stress response has been activated and that our breathing is different. The quickest way to calm our flight and fight response is by tuning in to our breathing. Long, slow, deep breathing switches off the flight or fight and moves us into a mode of relaxation, allowing us to think clearly and focus. Let's practice some diaphragmatic breathing, also known as belly breathing, as Mel is going to demonstrate. Place a hand on your tummy and one over your chest. And take a moment just to notice your breathing. We want to aim to breathe deep into the diaphragm, making the tummy gently bulge out. So aim to keep the hand at your chest calm and still, and now allow your tummy to move out and expand. So breathe deeply into the tummy, allowing the tummy to move out as you breathe in, and allowing your tummy to fall as you breathe out. Take a moment to practice this, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Really noticing the tummy fill out, imagining the tummy as a balloon expanding as you breathe in. Practicing this regularly can help you deal with difficult physical sensations, difficult emotions, and can help you anytime you feel overwhelmed.